Morning, children. Morning, you all.
Shinga. तुला शेंगा देत Berbarni cabang. Oh, sekarang. You are not there. Dot. Now.
Okay, now, children, I'm going to mute you all and then I'll speak to you about a new lesson. We are going to see the concept first, and then let's see. Once you all know the concept, then only we are going to start the next part. Okay. So now the part which we are going to see, you need to see it very carefully. The way I explained to you, you have to observe it very carefully. Okay. Now the symmetry and pattern part was very interesting, right? And easy one also. Monitors, tablet. I'm not going to put up any slide. Today I am going to explain to you. You just have your Kirti. What is she doing? Oh, Pranita. Are you ready? Okay. Now, as I said, children, a new part which we are going to see is little new to you, I believe. You haven't done it in third standard, or maybe some initial or introductory part. Otherwise, no. Okay. Now, yesterday you have solved the symmetry and the pattern. If you haven't completed, you have still time. You can complete it by today. And as we have given you all the other assignments, you are going to complete that. Now, today I am going to talk to you the next part. You all first what I say, and then when I tell you to open the book, then only you all open the book. Okay? Are you all ready? Hold your hands, finger on the lips. Best, good, better, best. Suppose if I get any good video on this, that also I'll show it to you tomorrow. But now, children, the next lesson we are going to see is the multiples and the factors. Today, we are going to discuss only the multiples part. Okay? And what it is. It is really very easy. If you get the concept right in the head, now, children, it is not at all difficult. Sometimes, if you read the sentences given in the textbook and without knowing if you read it, now you find it little difficult. But once you know the concept and based on the concept, if you read, you find it easy. So first you all understand the concept behind the whatever we tell you. Okay, why children come late? I then it gets interrupted. Now see here, children. Today we are going to see the very first part of it is multiples. Multiples means what, children? Actually, when you write a table, two ones are two. You write two ones are two, right? So when you write two ones are two, two twos are four. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. You go on multiplying the number 2, and whatever the answer comes to you, those are all the multiples of number 2. In the same manner, you take any number, you multiply it by, even you can multiply it by 0, but it answer comes as 0 only, right? Then multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4, go on multiplying. Whatever the answer you get is a multiple, is a multiple. Have you all understood the basic thing? Which number is a multiple? The number, once you have multiplied by any number and you get the answer, is a multiple of that given number. Okay, so it means the table only. You just keep in mind the basic idea, a table of a number. But here you write the tables only up to 10 when you are writing the table. Two table, three table, whichever table you have written, you write it up to only 10. But when we talk about the multiples, children, multiples, you multiply it by any number. The answer is a multiple of a number. So the very first rule of a multiple is there are indefinite multiples for a number. Means you cannot count. You can find multiples for a single number. तुम्हाला कळतंय मी काय बोलते ते एका नंबरचे खूप मल्टिपल्स असू शकतात तुम्ही इन्फिनिट म्हणजे तुम्ही मोजूच नाही शकणार इतके व्हाय बिकॉज यू मल्टिप्लाय बाय नंबर बाय एनी नंबर द आन्सर इज अ मल्टिपल ऑफ दॅट नंबर बेसिक कन्सेप्ट हॅव यू ऑल अंडरस्टूड दिस इज ओनली कॉल्ड ॲज अ मल्टिपल ऑफ अ नंबर अंडरस्टूड येस ऑर नो येस ऑर नो If yes, raise a hand. If no, tell me. Very good. Everyone has understood. So the multiple of a number is what? You multiply by any number. The answer is a multiple of that number. So the multiples are indefinite. खूप असू शकतात. You cannot even count them, right? Okay, that is the very first important thing. Then children, the basic concept they have told us is every number we multiply by 1, isn't it? I'll just try to show you this if you can see the page here clearly. We multiply every number by 1, isn't it? So again, why were we jumping there? Sit straight. If when we talk about a number, we multiply it by 1 also. So we multiply any multiplier by number 1 also. We do it by 0 also. But when we write by 0, the answer comes as 0. So that is the smallest multiple. Okay. 0 means nothing. Even if I take 18 multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0. So I take any number, I multiply it by 0. So that multiple will be again always 0. Okay. Now, suppose if I multiply 4 by 1, 4 multiplied by 3, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Okay. So the smallest will be always the number itself. Smallest will be always the number itself. 0 excluding 0. 0 will be always 0. You multiply by 0, so 0 will be 0. Suppose if I write 4 multiplied by 1, 4. 4 multiplied by 3, answer is 12. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. But always a multiple of a number will be the number itself at the first place, excluding 0. So the first multiple of a number will be the number itself. The number itself. Are you all getting me? It cannot be less than that, but the next multiple will be more than that. Are you all getting me? Yes or no? Yes or no? So this is the basic of the multiples. Now you all go on page number 8. One by one, we will see the properties, means on what is the what is the criteria when we talk about the multiple. What is the criteria when we talk about the multiples? Okay, one by one I am going to talk to you, and if I feel, I'll write it up here in my notebook and I will show you. First you all understand, one by one each one of you will I'll explain, you all read and you all understand. Okay, Jyotirmay? Very good, Jyotirmay, your hand is up. Why so? Okay, see it very carefully. Read it out carefully. You will understand. I have talked to you about the basic of it. All the four, the main concepts I have talked to you. You know, children, the multiple is like the answer of a table. 2 ones are 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. All are the multiples. And you can get a number of uncountable. Read in mind. Every number is a multiple of 1. That is 1 multiplied 1 is 1. 1 multiplied 2 is 2. 1 multiplied 3 is 3. Are you getting me? Come on, read it again. Every number is a multiple of 1. Multiple of 1. Go on next. Like I had written here up on the book now. Go on next. Every number is a multiple of itself. How it is written here, children, tell me. Go on next. Every number is a multiple. Again, 3 ones are 3. So 3 is a multiple of itself. 4 ones are 4. Always. Other than 0, not consider in this term 0. In this concept, you will not consider 0, but is always either greater than or the equal than for a number. That I had written, if you remember. Again, you go through it. The third one means, for example, how multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. You will not consider 0. But if you say 4 ones are 4, so the first multiple is 4. First multiple is 4. So the multiple is not less than the number. It will be the same number or greater than the number. Come on, read out the third one again. I had explained it to you now up on my in the notebook, and again I am reading it out for you. Come on, you all read out on your own. I'll explain to you again the third one. Shreyas, I want everyone to read the third one. Read out the third one. Every multiple of a number other than 0, don't consider 0 here, is always either greater than or equal to the number. Suppose if I say table of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So either it should be a number isn't equal to the number, means 3, or then rest of the other multiples will be greater. 6, 9, 12, right? Are you all getting me? Are you all getting me? Yes or no? Jyotirmay? Pranita, I want your videos on. Very good. Are you all getting this? The third one? Very good. Shaurya has understood. Swapnil has understood. Soham, have you understood the third one? Who hasn't understood, raise a hand. I'll explain to you again. Sarthak, very good. Very good. Sarah, very good. Come on. Again, you revise all the 3 in mind. And if you have any query, raise a hand. All the 3 in mind. All the first 3 in mind. Swara, read it out. Vikram, Sairaj, Anushka, I can't see you. Nakrishika, I want to see your faces. I want to see you studying. Very good. Then I feel that I am in a class. Why? What happened? Why is she not there? Who is saying my voice is breaking? Soham. Soham. No, everyone is listening and they're raising the hand, child. What's the problem? Can you all hear me clearly? Say yes or no. Yes or no? Yes. Arya is saying yes. They're saying yes, child. Soham, they are raising the hand and saying yes. Please check your audio, okay, Soham? Okay, Prapti, very good. Okay, what is the chat like? Let me see so many. Isha, you're saying my voice is breaking, but now others are saying it's clearly coming to us. Please check your audio, Isha. Where is Isha? Has she gone? Isha, are you there? Okay, Vikram is there now. Isha, are you there? Now can you hear me? 1 or 2 children are saying, otherwise everyone is raising the hand and saying it's clear. Okay, so have you all understood the first 3 concepts? Yes, shall I read it again? We'll read it again. Okay, see now. Every number is a multiple of 1. You multiply it by 1. Every number you multiply by 1, isn't it? And so the number itself is a multiple of that number, right? Now, second one. Every number is a multiple of itself. 2 ones are 2. So 2 is a multiple of 2. 3 ones are 3. 3 is a multiple of 3. 4 ones are 4. 4 is a multiple of 4. Okay, so number itself is also a multiple of a number. Are you all getting this? You all know multiple means what? 4 means the table. 4, 8, 12, 16. Those are all the multiples of a number 4. Okay, now the third one. Go on third. If it gets over soon, come back. If 2-3 minutes are left, then don't come. Okay. Okay. Now see the third one. Every multiple of a number excluding 0 is always either greater than or equal to the number. 3 ones are 3. 3 is a multiple. It should be it is equal or it is greater, because all the next multiples are going to be greater than 3. 6, 9, 12 are all greater. So either the multiple will be of equal or the greater. Yes, are you all getting this? Sarthak, what happened? Nothing. Are you getting this? Why somebody has raised the hand? Yes, Sarthak, you want to say something? Vikram, you want to say something? Yes? No, it's all fine? Okay, now go on next fourth. Easy one, children. Every number has an indefinite number of multiples. Indefinite, uncountable. Many multiples each number has. As I said, you say a table of 2 up to 10, but if you go on multiplying the number 2 in thousands, in lakhs, then you will find इन्फिनिट म्हणजे तुम्हाला मोजताच येणार नाहीत इतके मल्टिपल्स असतात एका ह्याचे सो सी द फोर्थ वन एव्हरी नंबर हॅज अन इनडेफिनेट नंबर ऑफ मल्टिपल्स फॉर एक्झाम्पल मल्टिपल्स of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 24 and so on. Are you all reading this? See in the book with my explanation. If you read this, you will understand. So we do not have a board here and it is very difficult. But if you pay attention, I am explaining it to you. It's easy. It is just like a board in front of you, right? I am explaining, I am saying each and every concept 2-3 times, right? Can you all hear me? Say nod yes or no. Very good. Chalo, go on next. The smallest. That also I have explained to you. Now only we are reading this. The smallest, the first multiple of a number is a number itself. For example, the first multiple will be the number itself. 2 ones are 2. So the number itself. 3 ones are 3, the number itself. So the first multiple will be always the number itself. Are you all getting me? The first multiple of a number will be the number itself. How? 2 ones are 2. So 2 is the first multiple of a number 2. 3 ones are 3. 3 is a multiple of a number 3, which is the first multiple. Yes, are you all getting me? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Now, sixth one now. A multiple of a number is always divisible by the number. For example, how? See here. For example, 2 fours are 8. Now, 8 is a multiple of 2. 8 is a multiple of 2 and 8 is divisible by both the numbers. It is divisible by 2 as well as by 4. As well as by 4. I'll write few over here and I'll let you know. See, suppose 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. And we can divide this by 3 as well as by 2. As well as by 2. We can divide that multiple by both the numbers. So 6 can be divided by 3 as well as by 2. As well as by 2. Are you all getting me? The multiple of a number, how do you get the multiple? You multiply by numbers and you get the multiple, isn't it? You take two numbers, you multiply and then you get the answer, right? So that answer can be divided by both the numbers. So that multiple, now here multiple is 6, can be divided by both the numbers, by 3 also, by 2 also. You know this, but in this concept, how they have given, that you must understand. Okay, are you all getting me? So the multiple, how do you get a multiple? You multiply by some number and you get the multiple, isn't it? So those the numbers which you have used for multiplying, you can divide the multiple with those numbers and you get it divided and the remainder comes as 0. Remainder should come as 0. Otherwise, it cannot be a multiple of a number. Otherwise, it cannot be a multiple of a number. Are you all getting me? Remainder should be 0 only. Okay. See now the next one. Okay, you read it again. You read it on your own again. Second last. A multiple of a number is always divisible by the number. Which numbers? Now, for example, 2 4s are 8. 8 is divisible by 2 as well as by 4. I had given you some other example. I had given you which example? 3 to the 6. So we multiply 3 by 2. The answer comes as 6. So 6 is divisible by 3 and by 2 also. Are you all getting this? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Very good. Now, I'm going to give you 2-4 minutes. You're going to read it out carefully, and you are going to write it in rough notebook knowingly. You can write some separate example on your own and write it. Then only clearly you will understand. A basic concept you know. The tables you write. So those are all the multiples, and they are infinite. Infinite means countless. They are many number. You take any number, you go on multiplying by thousands, lakhs, and the answer comes as a multiple of a number. Okay, and the smallest multiple will be the number itself, excluding zero, because then you start with 1. So any number you multiply by 1, the number itself is the smallest multiple of a number. Are you all getting this? Are you all getting this? Yes or no? You write down each concept in rough notebook, write a separate example on your own, you will understand. Come on, see the last one. 0 is a multiple of every number. It is a multiple of every number because 1 zeros are 0. 2, you take any number, you multiply it by 0, answer is 0. You take any number, 0 multiply by 14, answer will be 0. So it is a multiple of every number. It is a multiple of every number. Okay, now you are going to read all these concepts in mind. Okay, shall we try this now? We will try this. You may come to know in a better way. Come on, you try the first exercise, A. Try A exercise. A exercise, page number M8. Ready? Okay, the smallest multiple of 6 is. Now I will unmute you all. Let me see. How do you answer? But speak very softly.
6 1 the 6.
Okay. Smallest multiple of no extra talk. No extra talk. Only answer.
book 2.
अरे बाबा बुक मध्ये करतोय आपण नोटबुक आता उघडलीये का राजा Why are you asking notebook? We read it from the textbook, no? We read it from the textbook.
Every number.
कोण विचारतोय मी एक मिनिट Quiet.
Teacher on the 1 minute is left.
एक मिनिट आवाज बंद पाहिजे. आता आपण कुठल्या बुक मधनं वाचतोय हे सगळं इंग्लिश वाचलंय का EVS वाचलंय
Book 2.
We read it from this book too na, then why are you asking me foolish questions? Can't you think
Teacher on book.
from the book? I said again and again they are asking.
Every